Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your card was declined PayPal. First, double-check all the card details you've entered, ensuring every number and expiration date is accurate. Next, confirm you have sufficient funds for your purchase. A common reason for decline is simply not enough money. Also, verify your card hasn't expired and that the billing address matches what your bank has on file. These initial checks can often resolve the issue quickly. If basic checks don't work, let's look at your PayPal account. Log in and check for any security alerts or notifications that might be blocking transactions. Make sure your card is properly linked and confirmed within your PayPal wallet. Sometimes, PayPal might flag unusual activity, or you might have hit a spending limit, so review your recent transactions for clarity. Addressing these account-specific issues is crucial. When PayPal and card details seem fine, the next step is to contact your bank or card issuer directly. Give them a call and explain you're trying to make a PayPal purchase that was declined. Ask if they've placed any security blocks or fraud alerts on your card. Also, inquire about your daily spending limits, as exceeding these can cause declines. They can provide specific reasons for the refusal. If the problem persists, consider trying an alternative payment method, like a different card or a linked bank account if available. Sometimes, simply waiting a few hours and attempting the transaction again can resolve temporary glitches. Ensure your PayPal app and web browser are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance. These steps can help you complete your purchase successfully or prevent future declines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.